Hi everyone, my name is Laura, and in this video we are going to talk about the pronunciation of the consonant and vowel sounds of the IPA alphabet, right? So let's start. We know that there are 5 vowels and they are pronounced like this: A, E, I, O, and U, right? But in English, there are more vowel sounds. First, we have the short vowels, right? The first one is E, and Now we will see some examples using the vowels we have seen, right? The first one is interest, heel, and reach. Teacher, support, and marker. And job, stop, and doctor, right? Then we have the long vowels, and we are also going to pronounce the long vowels. The first one we can pronounce like this: E, oo, and ah. Now we will also give some examples: reach, need, between, to, group, school, dark, bath, and photograph. Okay, now let's move on to the next part, and we are going to talk about consonants. And we find 2 groups. One is some voice consonant sounds, which we are only going to practice the pronunciation of 3 of them. Okay, so let's start. And s. Okay, very well. Let's pronounce these examples of consonants. For, tough, information, right? Bath, thing, authority. And song, gets, and books. Okay, very well. Now, to finish, we have the voice consonant sounds, and its pronunciation would be like b, z, and And finally, to practice those consonants, we have these words, right? Beat, bath, ability, lives, reason, and zoo. Man, woman, and amazing. Okay, we did very well. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you soon in the next video. So, bye bye.